How's it going, guys? If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I am super excited about AI in the ability to create websites quickly and the potential that that brings for you to get an idea to market or to offer that as a service for other businesses to create them websites. Generally, it used to take me days to get a website, made and that looked nice and functioned well. Now you can do it literally in 10 minutes. But it all comes down when you're making these websites with AI, it comes down to choosing the right platform. I've been using all of them, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on the differences that you'll get from these different platforms. So I just used two here. We're launching a new. It's not a new service, but we're launching it in a different niche. So we do, as part of the Kaizen brand, we have Kaizen Marketing Agency, and we do digital marketing, paid ads, that kind of stuff for everybody in my sphere in real estate. So like lenders and home buyers, flippers, that kind of stuff. And so I wanted to make, and this is why I love AI, is that I made a website for a specific niche, even though it's still in the umbrella of digital marketing. I made it for a specific niche within digital marketing. Instead of having to have one umbrella brand like Kaizen Marketing Agency, which we do, have that URL. I bought a brand URL for just private money lenders, hard money lenders, and because we want to start targeting them. And when they land on a website that's literally private lender marketing agency that's directed towards them, the conversion will be a lot higher. So I spun up a website real quick, but I used different platforms to see which one worked best. And I'm going to show you the two platforms that I used and the results that they gave me. So 1 second, let me get into here. Okay, so I gave both. I'm sorry. The platforms that I used, the AI tools that I used was Lovable and Bolt. I've used Replit before, but just for websites, I feel like Lovable and Bolt are the simplest and the best ones to use. They have the best designs. So I use those two, and I want to show you the results. I gave them both the exact same script when I created this website. I want to show you how they differed. So this one that I have up here, this is Lovable. The color scheme, I just don't like it. And there's like stuff like this. Originally, it had this. I actually did alter it a little bit because it had an image there, and it made this entire thing completely illegible. And so I just said change it black so we can see it, and it just doesn't look good. Yeah. So this is Bolt's. It does have the general information that I did request. It has all the main links that you would expect for a website: services, about, results. One thing I did not like about Bolt is it put in these results that we actually don't have. So in the prompt, I said, "Do not lie. If you don't know for a fact that we've gotten a specific result, do not put that on the website because I'm not here. I'm not in the business of lying to my potential clients, and I don't want them to think that." We have 285% average lead increase when I can't actually verify that. So I told both of these platforms not to do it. This one did it. I don't know why it didn't take that into consideration. You can see down here, it's showing like Pacific Northwest hard money lending. This is not a client, and so I don't know why it put that in there. So this is Lovable. And then if you go over to the one we actually used, which is Bolt Private, I'll just show you the actual website. Here we go. You can see it here. It's in Bolt, but I'm going to show you it because I did actually deliver it or publish it to the internet. So it is live right now. You can go to privatelendermarketingagency.com. You can see here it is. I just like it better. It's not like I could do a better job creating my own website with Kartra or Go High Level or something like that. But I literally did this in 10 minutes. So I can get into a new niche without spending 3 days building the website and just instantly get up and running. And I can start using this in marketing. And I even connected it to my Calendly link. There we go. So you can see, I just like this one better. It's cleaner. It didn't lie. I do have 5 years of experience, 24/7 campaign monitoring, compliance, everything in here can be supported by my company. And it has the same, sections. Oops. Oh, there's something I need to fix. It's always going to be, a few things. So what did that was results. Yeah. So there's something wrong with the results page that I do need to fix, but that's okay. Um, but it got it 90% of the way there, which I love. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this all up and just say, when you're creating websites quickly, I would recommend using Bolt. I like Bolt better. I like the product that it pushes out. It also tends to stick to the script a little bit better. Lovable is great too. I'm not, for all you Lovable fans out there, I'm not dogging it. I'm just saying I do prefer Bolt over the other two. So that's it. Again, the use cases here for these websites. If you want to spin up, say you have a service-based business, it doesn't matter what it is. I'm going to use mine, digital marketing. You have a digital marketing business, any business, and you want to get into a new niche. Right now, you're focused on, home builders, and you want to go over to real estate investors, or you want to go over to hard money lenders. You can switch your niche instantly by just, spinning up a new website quickly. And so, yeah, that's why I love it. I'm going to wrap it up because I feel like I've rambled here for a bit. But if you guys have any questions, if you want us to do marketing for your company, we do. As I said, we do marketing. We're focused mostly on the real estate area because that is my main business. But we can do marketing. Marketing is marketing. We can do it anywhere. And we focus on paid ads, Google ads, and Facebook ads. So if you guys need help with that for your business, let me know. If you want help with this AI stuff, let me know. I absolutely love it. There's a lot of use cases for it, and so this is just one. And yeah, good luck out there.